PropertyMe software development honest review. Watch before you sign up for any property management software. There is something most landlords and agencies completely miss, and it can cost you thousands every year. Most people get this wrong, but here's why: choosing the right property management system is not just about convenience. It is about protecting your income. PropertyMe is a cloud-based property management platform designed mainly for real estate agencies, property managers, and landlords who manage multiple rentals. It handles rent collection, maintenance requests, tenant communication, accounting, inspections, and reporting all in one dashboard. The surprising truth about PropertyMe is how much manual work it eliminates. Instead of chasing rent, recording payments, and logging maintenance calls separately, everything flows into one system. Tenants can submit maintenance requests online, attach photos, and track progress. That alone can reduce call volume and miscommunication by more than half. Property managers can automate rent reminders, generate monthly statements, and track arrears in real time. For example, if a tenant is late, the system flags the account and can automatically send reminders. This helps agencies keep cash flow steady without awkward phone calls. Another powerful feature is inspection reporting. You can conduct inspections using a mobile device, upload photos, and instantly generate reports. That reduces paperwork and protects landlords during disputes. PropertyMe also includes trust accounting and financial compliance tools, which is essential for agencies operating under strict real estate regulations. However, it is not designed for someone with just one or two properties who wants something extremely basic. It is best for growing portfolios, professional landlords, and agencies that want automation, accuracy, and audit-friendly reporting. If your rental operation feels chaotic, PropertyMe can transform it into a predictable, professional system. Subscribe now for more honest reviews that help you protect your property income.